G'day, here's a little deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from Central Queensland. Most of them are fairly small, some of them won't even have any opal. I'll just go through a few of them. This piece has got some potential. It's nice hard material. Most of this is fairly hard material, so it'll polish quite well. And some of these pieces have got little eyes of colour, little bar of colour there, that'll come off. Other pieces are literally just offcuts, need to cut it and accept that you've got the Boulder Opal as well as the opal on the stone, I think. Bit of little crystal pipe perhaps. Not going to go through every piece. Not a very expensive for what you could get out of it. I think you should get a few little stones. Basically treat it as learning to cut Boulder Opal. Thanks for watching. Cheers.